Hello. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the SP700 Clover Kitchen Printer. Let's start by opening the box. Inside, you will find a user manual with a paper guide, a power cord, a starter roll of paper, the printer ink ribbon, and an Ethernet cable. When we lift the carton cover, you will see the kitchen printer. Lift the printer out of the box and remove it from the plastic bag. Now let's open the compartments of the printer. The door with the window is the back of the printer. This is where the paper is loaded. The front compartment is where the ink ribbon is installed. Let's begin by installing the ribbon. Take the starter ribbon and remove it from the bag. To load the ribbon cartridge, tilt the cartridge up and insert the base first. Then, push the ribbon down into place. Make sure the turn knob is facing up. Otherwise, it will not install correctly. It should click into place. Close the compartment door after it is installed. Now we will load the paper. First, unwind the roll and let the paper hang down behind the roll. While in this position, place the roll of paper into the back slot. Leave some excess paper sticking out of the printer, then close the door. After the door is closed, rip off the excess paper. Now let's turn the printer over to view the ports on the back. You will see 3 ports. These include the power socket, the Ethernet port, and a modem port. First, plug in the power cable. Next, plug in the Ethernet cable. Please note that these printers only operate over Ethernet and are not wireless. Once both cables are connected, you can flip the unit back over. Now we will go over the setup of the kitchen printer using your Clover POS system. First, sign into your Clover device and open the printer's app. Inside the app, tap the green plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Order Printer. Next, select the printer you are trying to connect. If multiple printers appear, you may select all of them to test which one is correct. If you do not see your printer listed, make sure it is on the same network as your POS system. If it is connected and still does not appear, please call Slice Support for help with troubleshooting. Since we see the printer here, we will select it to add it to the POS system. After it is added, select it again to open its settings. Inside the settings, select the menu items you want this printer to receive. Then tap Test Print to confirm that the printer is connected properly. If the test is successful, tap Save. Now, we will place a test order to confirm that the printer is working. After entering the order into the system, click Save. On the next screen, select the SP700 kitchen printer. The printer should now print the order and cut the paper. You are now ready to begin using your SP700 kitchen printer.